Here is what these Grip-Rite construction screws look like. We use these all the time. These are the number 9, 2.5 inch with a T25 star drive right here. That's what the star drive looks like. And here is what the screws look like. This is 1 pound. Here. Really good construction, great quality. Overall, really impressed with these. Use them for all sorts of projects around the house. My husband is also a carpenter, so these are our go-to for doing home projects. He recently put in, why we got these was a coffee bar with pre-constructed cabinets, and looks really good, really great quality. I buy these all the time.